Happy Friday, my brothers, sisters, and siblings. Nicole, I'm Grida, your international justice. I join you today to make some important announcements in a slightly different format. In the interest of meeting our members where they are, I'm going to do video updates from time to time to make sure all members know the latest and greatest information about all things related to Phi Alpha Delta Law Fraternity International. First and foremost, thank you. Thank you to all those members who answered my call to service and applied for an appointed leadership position at the international or district level. Today, it is my honor and privilege to announce some of these appointments. Please excuse me in advance if I mispronounce your name, but I will do the best I can. As many of you know, PAD will turn 120 years old on our next Founders Day, November 8, 2022. Therefore, I am excited to announce that Brother BJ Maley of the Webster, Chicago Alumni, and West Suburban Alumni chapters has been appointed to serve as the Chief History Advisor. Brother Maley can now be referred to as the International Historian. Given his new role, he will serve as the Chair of the History Committee, which will include Sister Dana Ashcraft, Brother Adam Dotzler, Brother Joshua Hughes, Brother Cortland Ingram, Brother James Ratliff, and Brother Jessica Zakin-Sinkowitz. The International Executive Board has also provided me with their advice and consent to appoint Brother Jason Hicks as the Chief Legal Advisor. He hails from the Patterson with 2 T's chapter at Faulkner University, Thomas Good Jones School of Law, not to be confused with the Patterson with 1 T chapter at Seton Hall University School of Law. During this next biennium, Brother Hicks will also serve as the chair of the Dispute Resolutions Committee, to which I have also appointed the following members: Brother Dennis Bakiev, Brother Chuck Ice, Brother Derek Johnson, and Brother Glenn Milgram. The IEB also provided me with their advice and consent to appoint Pega Yazdi Gorman, a member of the Robert E. Redding National Capital Area Alumni Chapter, as the Chief Diversity Advisor. This means Sister Gorman will also serve as the chair of the Diversity, Equity, and Inclusion Advisory Council. The DEIAC will also include the following members: Sister Acacia Bellamy, Brother C. Dwayne Close, Sister Monique Poister, Sister Carrie Loser, Sister Faiza Mokhtar, and Sister Daphne Sanville. This biennium, the Competitions Committee will be led by Sister Samantha Fournier, who was initiated into the Brandeis chapter and is now a member of the Dallas Alumni chapter. She will be joined on this committee by brothers Ron Coleman, Nicholas Lee, Tim Gaskell, Joshua Hughes, and Theodore Thomas. If you can, please join us next month in Arlington, Virginia for the Pre-Law Conference, Mock Trial Competition, and Law Expo from November 2nd to the 5th. More information can be found at www.pad.org/pre-law conference. Pursuant to our governing documents, our executive director, Brother Andrew Sagan, serves as the chair of the audit committee, along with our international treasurer, John Karasik, serving as a member of that committee. To fill the 3rd slot, I have appointed Brother Robert Alderfer, who is a certified financial planner and a member of the New Hampshire Alumni Chapter. My second in command, International Vice Justice Sister Nicole Winget of the Willis Chapter and the Triangle Alumni Chapter, will serve as the chair of the Strategic Planning Committee. Her committee will also include Sister Carly Dirk, Sister Kathleen Maloney, Brother Jay Ross, and Brother Jessica Zakin-Sinkowitz. Finally, the IEB has provided me with their advice and consent to appoint the following members to the Disciplinary Committee: the Honorable Brother Andrew Bain, Sister Jacqueline Blumenfeld, Brother Philip Cave, and Sister Jennifer Ramari. With the board's advice and consent, I have also appointed Sister Carrie Loser as the compliance investigator. Rounding out our committee, the programming committee will be led by our International Foundation Board Secretary, Sister Michelle Isherwood of the Humphrey and Boston Alumni Chapters. Joining Sister Isherwood on this committee will be Sister Faiza Mokhtar and Brother Kellen Sheeran. And then joining me on the Leadership Development Committee will be Sister Dana Ashcraft, Brother Jay Ross, Sister Daphne Sandville, and Sister Jasmine Vega. Phi Alpha Delta Law Fraternity International continues to be the preeminent law fraternity because of our dedication to service. I would like to thank each and every one of these newly appointed leaders for their willingness to be of service to our beloved PAD. I know they will shine brightly in their respective roles, and I look forward to working with each one of them. And now I encourage you all to celebrate Phi Alpha Delta during Founders Week, which will be from November 7th to the 11th, 2022. During this time, I encourage each of you to make a donation to the International Foundation. No amount is too small. You can also participate in a service project sponsored by the Long-Ash chapter, or participate in one of our many other programming and social events on the international, local, or virtual level. For more information about Founders Week, please visit www.pad.org/Founders Week. Also, do not forget to join me and the other Nicole next Thursday, October 13th at 8 p.m. Eastern for the first of our bi-monthly office hours. You can come and ask us anything. Until next time, this is your International Justice, Nicole M. Grida, signing off. Over.